In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop automatically backing up files to OneDrive in Windows. Whether you're running out of space in your OneDrive account or simply prefer to manage backups manually, this walkthrough will guide you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the Windows taskbar. Here, you should see a cloud icon which represents the OneDrive application. Clicking this icon will open up the OneDrive panel, providing you with several options to adjust your account settings and view recent activity. After opening the panel, locate the gear icon which symbolizes settings. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu giving you access to further configuration options. From this menu you need to select Settings. This action will open the main settings window for OneDrive. Once you're in the settings window, navigate to the tab labelled Sync and Backup. It's placed at the top and acts as a hub for all things related to file synchronization and backup processes. This section is essential for managing which files and folders are uploaded to the cloud. Now within the Sync and Backup tab, you'll see a button labelled Manage Backup. Click this button to dig deeper into your folder-specific backup preferences. Doing so will open another window where you have more granular control over what exactly gets backed up to OneDrive. At this point, you are ready to disable the backup feature for the folders of your choice. You'll be presented with a list of folders that are currently backed up. Simply unselect the folders which you no longer wish to automatically back up to OneDrive. This change means that the contents within the unselected folders will no longer sync to your OneDrive storage. Finally, to commit to these changes and ensure they take effect, you need to click Stop Backup. This option often requires a moment of confirmation to ensure that you're comfortable halting the cloud backup process for the chosen directories. Once confirmed, these folders will be excluded from synchronization and will reside solely on your local machine until you make further changes. In just a few steps, you've successfully stopped OneDrive from automatically backing up your files, giving you more control over your storage usage and file privacy. By manually managing your backups, you can ensure that only the necessary files are uploaded to the cloud, keeping your data organized the way you like it. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, don't hesitate to explore additional resources or check out other tutorials.